Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to add Google sign-in in our application using Firebase. So let's start. First we create a project and give a name here. Now we have to connect Firebase to our Android Studio. So go to Tools, click on Firebase. Click on Email and Password Authentication and select Connect to Firebase. Now you are redirected to login form to use your Google account to connect with the Firebase. So once you are logged in, back to Android Studio. Now you are creating a Firebase project. Click Connect to Firebase. Click on Add Firebase Authentication to your app. Accept changes. Now we have to configure our project in Firebase. So search Firebase console. If you are not logged in, please log in first. Click on your project. Go to Authentication, Sign in method, click Enable Sign in. Enter your login ID here. And save. Now click on Project Settings. SHA key and Google Service JSON files are available here if you want to update. Now I'm going to download this and copy and paste this file into our app folder. Actually it is automatically added, so we don't need to add, but you can manually check in this app folder. Google service.json file is already present. And also this plugin and some dependencies got added after connecting Firebase to Android Studio. Now add these dependencies and you can click on sync. Now after adding dependencies here, you can click on sync, but make sure that it is not giving you any error after sync. After sync, if you get any error, you can change the version and sync again. Now in manifest.xml file, we have added internet permission. Now add these codes in your XML to show Google sign-in button. And we have to position and constrain it. Let's add one more button which can be used to sign out when the user is already signed in. Now go to main activity.java file and declare some global variables. Now let's find the view of sign in button using its ID, which we gave in layout, which is sign in button. And initialize Firebase Authentication. And also find view of sign out button using the ID of sign out button. Now let's configure Google Sign-in. Now after clicking on sign in button, we need to perform sign in action. So let's call sign in method. Similarly, on clicking on sign out button, we will call default sign out method. Once the user is signed out, we will hide sign out button. Sign in method which we wrote earlier, let's define that. Use intent to call Google Sign-in client. We will handle the result code obtained from launching this intent on override on activity result. create task object and use signed in account from intent, and write a separate method to handle sign in result. Now if Google sign-in is successful, we can handle Firebase Google Authentication in the next step. Here we are checking the authentication credential and checking if the task is successful or not, and displaying the message based on that. You can use your preferred message to display to the user. Inside Update UI, now we can get the user's information and display it whenever required. You can display information like person name, email, photo, etc. in your activity. I'm using just toast and just displaying the person name and email for testing purpose here. You can use this information in the further activity if you have to display person name, person given name, person email, person ID or person photos. And also change it to Google sign-in client. Now you can run the app and see. You can click on sign in. So sign in is successful. You can see name and email ID and click on sign out. Now you are signed out. You can also refer this Firebase documentation for any help. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this tutorial, please share, subscribe and stay tuned for upcoming Android tutorials. And also if you want to share your code with everyone, write below in the comment section. Thanks.